I had not found my socks. I had not found my socks, so I wore mismatched ones and called it fashion. She had not brushed her hair. She had not brushed her hair, and now birds were building a nest in it. He had not done laundry. He had not done laundry for a month, so his wardrobe was just towels now. We had not set the alarm. We had not set the alarm, so we woke up when the sun was already at work. They had not cooked properly. They had not cooked properly, and now their pasta was more like cement. I had not written my essay. I had not written my essay, so I submitted a paper with a drawing of my dog. She had not walked her dog. She had not walked her dog, so now he was doing zoomies in the house. He had not answered my call. He had not answered my call, so I sent 47 texts just to be sure. We had not paid the bill. We had not paid the bill, so we were enjoying candlelight dinners, unintentionally. They had not fed the cat. They had not fed the cat, and now she was plotting their demise. I had not closed the fridge. I had not closed the fridge, and now my milk had turned into cheese. She had not bought groceries. She had not bought groceries, so we had ketchup sandwiches for dinner. He had not fixed his bike. He had not fixed his bike, so he was running to work like an Olympic sprinter. We had not watered the garden. We had not watered the garden, and now the plants were requesting a lawyer. They had not learned the rules. They had not learned the rules, so the board game turned into a wrestling match. I had not taken an umbrella. I had not taken an umbrella, and of course it rained like the sky was heartbroken. She had not checked the weather. She had not checked the weather, so her sandals were now mini swimming pools. He had not brought snacks. He had not brought snacks to movie night, so he was officially an enemy. We had not locked the car. We had not locked the car, and now a family of raccoons had moved in. They had not practiced for the play. They had not practiced for the play, so their lines were a mix of Shakespeare and panic. I had not finished my coffee. I had not finished my coffee, but life decided it was time for a crisis anyway. She had not cut her hair. She had not cut her hair in months, and now it had its own zip code. He had not taken a shower. He had not taken a shower, and now people were socially distancing without being told. We had not remembered the tickets. We had not remembered the tickets, so we admired the concert from the parking lot. They had not cleaned the house. They had not cleaned the house, and now scientists were studying their dust bunnies. I had not removed the sticker. I had not removed the sticker from my new shirt, and now everyone knew the price. She had not learned to cook. She had not learned to cook, but she was great at ordering takeout. He had not deleted his search history. He had not deleted his search history, and now he had some explaining to do. We had not checked the gas tank. We had not checked the gas tank, so we were pushing the car to the gas station. They had not turned off the stove. They had not turned off the stove, and now their dinner was blacker than their future. I had not charged my phone. I had not charged my phone, and now I had to socialize with real humans. She had not woken up on time. She had not woken up on time, so she got ready in exactly 32 seconds. He had not ironed his shirt. He had not ironed his shirt, so now he looked like a crumpled paper bag. We had not packed our bags. We had not packed our bags, and the flight was in an hour. Panic mode activated. They had not checked the fridge. They had not checked the fridge, so breakfast was expired milk and regret. I had not worn a jacket. I had not worn a jacket, and now I was shivering like a phone on silent mode. She had not answered the email. She had not answered the email, so now she had 10 reminders from her boss. He had not picked a movie. He had not picked a movie, and now we had spent 2 hours just deciding. We had not closed the windows. We had not closed the windows, and now our house was an ice cave. They had not reserved a table. They had not reserved a table, so they had a romantic dinner at the gas station. I had not saved my work. I had not saved my work, and my laptop decided to restart. Goodbye, effort. She had not paid attention. She had not paid attention in class, so she thought the exam was next week. He had not washed his hands. He had not washed his hands, so the sandwich had extra flavor. We had not checked the map. We had not checked the map, so we arrived at the wrong wedding. They had not spoken in days. They had not spoken in days, but their passive-aggressive notes were masterpieces. I had not found my wallet. I had not found my wallet, so I paid for coffee with pure confidence. She had not read the instructions. She had not read the instructions, so the cake looked like modern art. He had not checked his mirror. He had not checked his mirror, so he almost introduced his car to a tree. We had not charged the speaker. We had not charged the speaker, so our party had background noise from the fridge. They had not turned off the lights. They had not turned off the lights, and now their electricity bill was an emotional attack. I had not washed my jeans. I had not washed my jeans in weeks, but Febreze counted as laundry, right? She had not remembered my birthday. She had not remembered my birthday, so I passive-aggressively mentioned it 15 times. He had not removed the plastic from his new TV. He had not removed the plastic from his new TV, calling it extra protection. We had not updated our apps. We had not updated our apps, so our phones were running slower than snails. They had not replaced the batteries. They had not replaced the batteries, so the remote was now an expensive decoration. I had not packed my lunch. I had not packed my lunch, so I stared at my coworker's food with deep sadness. She had not called the plumber. She had not called the plumber, so now the kitchen was a water park. He had not shaved his beard. He had not shaved his beard in so long it was practically a wildlife sanctuary. We had not found a babysitter. We had not found a babysitter, so our date night was playing hide and seek at home. They had not learned the dance. They had not learned the dance, so their wedding performance looked like an earthquake. I had not given up. I had not given up. And that made all the difference in my success. She had not feared failure. She had not feared failure, so she kept going until she achieved her dreams. He had not stopped learning. He had not stopped learning, and that opened doors to endless opportunities. We had not ignored our goals. We had not ignored our goals, and now we were finally living our dreams. They had not lost hope. They had not lost hope even when times were tough and victory was near. I had not wasted time. I had not wasted time on excuses, and now success was within reach. She had not doubted herself. She had not doubted herself, so she achieved what once seemed impossible. He had not ignored his passion. He had not ignored his passion, and now he was doing what he loved every day. We had not failed to try. We had not failed to try, so we finally turned our dreams into reality. They had not missed the opportunity. They had not missed the opportunity, and now their future was brighter than ever. I had not feared challenges. I had not feared challenges because I knew they made me stronger. She had not ignored her potential. She had not ignored her potential, and now she was leading the way. He had not blamed others. He had not blamed others for his failures, but took responsibility and grew. We had not stopped dreaming. We had not stopped dreaming, and now we were building our ideal future. They had not ignored feedback. They had not ignored feedback, and that helped them improve every day. I had not avoided hard work. I had not avoided hard work, and now I was reaping the rewards. She had not refused to grow. She had not refused to grow, and now she was an inspiration to others. He had not let negativity win. He had not let negativity win, and that's why his mindset was unstoppable. We had not ignored small progress. We had not ignored small progress because every step mattered. They had not stayed in their comfort zones. They had not stayed in their comfort zones, so they discovered endless possibilities. I had not forgotten my purpose. I had not forgotten my purpose, and that gave me unstoppable motivation. She had not wasted her talents. She had not wasted her talents, and now she was creating something incredible. He had not ignored his dreams. He had not ignored his dreams because he knew they were worth chasing. We had not feared taking risks. We had not feared taking risks, and that's why we achieved more. They had not missed their moment. They had not missed their moment, and now success was knocking on their door. I had not given up on learning. I had not given up on learning, and that helped me achieve so much more. She had not avoided challenges. She had not avoided challenges, and that's what made her a leader. He had not focused on failures. He had not focused on failures, but on the lessons they brought. We had not let fear stop us. We had not let fear stop us because we knew courage was the key to success. They had not waited for the perfect time. They had not waited for the perfect time because they knew the time was now.